Look, Papa! It's turning into a car! Wow! Look, Papa! It can really fly!
Go, robot, go!
Look, Papa! It can find any place in the city! Scan complete! Wow! Look at that jump! Superpower! Wow! Look at its power! It's the strongest robot ever! Today our secret project begins, Papa! Wow! This is our Seek Lab, Papa! Let's start building the robot, Papa. This will be the robot's brain.
Just a little more. Almost there.
Hello, I am Strawberry Robot. Mission ready!
We did it! We did it! Everyone look! Look at our new discovery! Wow! How beautiful! Everyone is only looking at them.
Now is the chance.
My robot. Oh no.
Don't lose hope, son. Great inventions are never easy to build.
We need even more powerful parts. These will work perfectly.
Now for the super version.
System installing.
Police robot online.
Wow! Look at that jump! Our robot is amazing! Our robot is the strongest in the city, Papa! Scan the city, robot! We need to see where everyone is! Go, robot! Faster! Amazing catch, robot! You saved it! Together, we are the Strawberry Police Team! We are ready for any adventure! The bus needs help, Papa!
I am coming!
Everyone is safe.
Our hero!
We have made a very big mistake.
We were wrong to break your robot.
please forgive us? Let's all work together to do good things. Friends, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MeowToonsOfficial. See you again for a new adventure. Today we are going on a new adventure, Papa.
We certainly are, my little superhero.
Papa, look! I found a mysterious map. This must be the treasure map, Papa. Look at the golden banana.
Let's see where it leads. Move carefully. Slow down a bit. Watch your step.
Yeah! Wow!
We've arrived!
Wow! It's so beautiful in here. This is the golden banana.
Wow. Come on, let's get to work. Today, a very special robot will be made. Everything must be set perfectly.
This will be the source of power. System online.
Hello, friend.
We want that robot. It should be ours.
Shh, make sure no one sees us.
Let's go! Quickly! It's ours now!
Papa! Where is my robot? It's gone.
They haven't gone far. Look at these tracks.
Robot, wake up!
Command received.
Mission start!
Stop!
We were wrong. We were just being greedy.
Stealing is never good. You can find treasure through hard work. Come on, let's plant more trees. Our jungle is so beautiful. Look at all the gold. Friends, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you again for a new adventure.